Hello my lovelies, it is Tina from Ivory Moon Designs, Tina Theus. My details are here where you can shop with me, join my team, and just basically get in touch with me if you'd like to. I am going to on stage tomorrow, which is a Stampin' Up convention, and lots of people do swaps there, so they make things and then swap with everybody, and everyone can get ideas and everything, which is a brilliant idea. And I just thought I'd make some little gift tags for mine. So I am starting with a piece of Poppy Parade, and I am going to cut this at 2 inches for a nice long strip, and then what I'm going to do is cut this to 3 inches. So I have a nice little block like this. I'm trying out my new camera, so I've got a different angle because I'm still trying to figure things out. So I've got a new light, a new camera, and I'm still trying to work it out, so bear with me please. Right, so with this, I'm then going to use the triple banner punch. Sorry, the lighting's a bit rubbish again, isn't it? The lighting's further away from me today, and that's what it is. But I know the last video I put up was all pixelated and everything because I was using my iPad and I couldn't zoom out. It was a bit of a nightmare. So I'm definitely going to try and get it sorted out. So basically you push it in and punch, and the beauty of this is you can do banners like this from any size. You can get 2 inches, 1.5 inches, or 1 inch, which converts to 2.5 centimeters, 3.8 centimeters, or 5.1 centimeters. Then, because I've cut that, then I'm going to top it with a piece of paper from the All Is Bright collection. And for this, because I cut my red piece at 2 inches, I am going to put this to 1, and basically I'm taking 2 little lines in from the inch, which makes it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7/8. So 1 7/8 of an inch, and then 2 7/8 of an inch. So basically all I've done is taken off 2 little, whatever they are, I don't even know what they're called, oh Lord above. So again, I'm just going to push this in, and because this is slightly smaller than the 2 inches, at the back what I'm going to do is just line it up so it's as central as possible and punch. Then I'm going to glue this down and then centralize it onto my little banner, which is going to be my little tag like this. So I'm just leaving a little bit of red all the way around, which is why you knock off that 2 little blippity blop things. And then what I've done, have I got any left? I don't think I have. What a wally. Then what I've done is I've punched out the Spirited Snowman. No, I'm not. I've used the stamp set Spirited Snowman, and I've used the little jumping snowman up there because I think he's so super cute. And all I've done is coloured them in, and I now have lost the one I was going to show you. Excuse me a second while I just move the camera. Nope, and there's none there. Of course there's not, because that would have been easy, wouldn't it? So I'm not going to sit here and colour them in because you're going to be bored to death. But I did, excuse me, I stamped out a whole sheet and I've been colouring them in. Then I took a piece of garden green. And using the sprig punch, which, oh my lord, I do love this punch. It is amazing. I punched out 2 of the sprigs like that, and then all I've done is I've got some silicone glue, which is sticking to me. I've put a little bit of silicone on the back and pressed it down onto there, and again a little bit there. And then once I'd cut out my snowman, all I've done is, let's just take this one off, got one here, and put a bit of silicone glue on the back of that, and then put him at a little angle like that, and there's my little tag. So they are really quick and easy to make, and you don't need much product. Again, this and the sprig punch are just brilliant, and I have been using them non-stop since I got them. Love them. So there we go. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you do make any, I would love it if you could put them on social media and tag me in it. You can tag me in as Tina Theis, spelt the is, Theis, or Ivory Moon Designs. Either will work. Yeah. I hope you like. If you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe. It's completely free. That would be really wonderful for me. And thank you very much for stopping by and watching. And I hope to see you all soon. Bye.